Santiago de Chile. Buin.
Helicopters underneath it too.
And the sense of motion to that noise, because that's what it was. And if you just heard that noise somewhere and it was sort of at a fixed point, yeah, you'd be sort of slightly intrigued about it, wouldn't you? Or even slightly concerned about it. But what was concerning about that was it was a freaky sound. Yeah, it was as freaky as fuck. And it was coming towards you, and then it was going away, and then it was coming.
It was almost like
again.
Circling this street.
Exactly what it sounded like. Exactly what it sounded like.
Yeah, I thought it was circling the house at one point.
Yeah, because that was the first, when I walked out and I walked into the middle of the street, that's the first thing I noticed. Yeah, it was bizarre. And then, as I say, it just seemed to sort of go round and then disappear.
Yeah, these things have been documented all over the world.
Yeah.
And, yeah.
I've never seen nothing like it.
Yeah,
like something out of a film or something.
You should see my life. Like something out of a grim fairy tale.
Yeah, that's what it was. It was like something out of some sci-fi film or something, wasn't it? Or, I don't know, something that should be in Lord of the Rings. It was well freaky.
Ya me desperté más. No sé si se escucha, voy a abrir la ventana un poco.
Saturday morning, Spain. This wave noise sounds like a metallic noise. It's supposed to be machinery, but a bit weird. Saturday morning. 7 in the morning. Anyway, probably construction.
...25 de abril... 2:55 de la madrugada... ...una vez más... ...el zumbido y los estruendos... A mí que me sigan contando películas de...